Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are off to Barnet and we are repairing the front end on a Suzuki carry van. I think it's a Suzuki carry, yeah. Kind of like Suzuki's version of like a Bedford Rascal van. It's for a customer of mine. He bought it for one of his workers, and there's a repair to be done on the bonnet and a few dents in both of the front wings, and we're off to go and make that look pretty. I've just punched it in my sat nav, and there's trouble on the M25 motorway, so we are going the scenic route all the way through the lanes out to Barnet. So I'm going to head over there. I think sat nav was saying it's over an hour on the motorway and about 50 minutes or 45 minutes on the back lanes. So yeah, we're heading down the back lanes, and yeah, I'll see you when we get over there. See you in a bit. Another denty scrape on that wing, so we're sorting that out. We've got a dent in the edge of this bonnet here. Don't know how well you can see that. We've got to sort that out, try and blow that in. And then on the bottom of this wing we've got a bit of a scrape and a dent there. We need to sort that out. Let me get set up and get sorted. Blooming traffic. Took me about an hour and 20 minutes to get here today. This is why I don't work near London. Oh, right, let me get set up. I'll see you in a mo. Got underneath it, pushed the majority of it up, as you can see there. Just tapping down my eyes for over push loads, but picked most of it back up. That's well skimmable now, so let's get that sorted. block that down, got a little skim of dolphin glaze on that, and on that, and on these. Managed to get my little PDR rod in now and pick most of that back up. So that's just literally one little skim of filler blocked out and a little skim of dolphin glaze. You can see how thin it is there. So hopefully when we block these down, that'll be nice and straight. We can start getting it ready for a bit of primer. Need to keep this as small as I can, so I'd really like to blend onto that line. Well, that's what we're trying to do anyway, so let's see how it goes. Let this kick off a bit more and then I'll see you in a bit.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated.
That was very close. Well, saying close. It started raining whilst I was getting some primer on. I didn't have time to get my gazebo set up. By the time I'd done that, I wouldn't have been able to do what I've got to do. I'm only doing half a day today. It's my little boy's birthday. It's 2 now, so I've got to start heading back and come back and finish this in the morning. So I'll see you then. Okay, we're back. Let's get all this primer blocked out, get this prepped up, start getting this thing painted, shall we? Let's go.
Stop this conversation. We got no relation. I have come, it's cold and losing my control. The light is gone, the night has come, it's crazy by the night is gone, I wish that you could save me from my isolation. My ways too complicated. Stop this conversation. Your light is gone and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. No relation. We got no relation. No relation.
Right guys, we're ready. I just spotted a bit of etch primer in the little cut throughs, tickled them off. Just kind of wiped it down. We've got to tack rag it and go. There was a crusty stone chippy thing here, a little bit of dodginess there. We're just going to puff a bit of colour on them. I wasn't going to clear the whole bonnet, I was going to blend to here, but I got a bit carried away and a bit close to this swage line, so we're just going to smash the lot. Paint's all mixed up. Let's get this sorted. See you in a bit. Look what I found. My head cam mount. Alright, let's get some clear on this thing. Some serious bug life. That's gonna get rubbish. Oh, piss off, mate. Not fucking another one. Fuck off. You bugger off. And you. Man. Jesus. Not good. can't get. Bonnet, couple of little bits in it. I spoke to the customer and asked where he want, like how far you want me to go with it. It's getting all covered in stickers and it's going to be a first time driver's car when they pass their test, or van, work van. I said, do you want me to flat and polish it and make it look mint? And he was like, no, it's sweet as. So yeah, that is that. Job done. On to the next one. I'm not going to film this, I'll show you what I've done. Had a bad chip scuff there in the bottom of the bumper. There's a little one on the top corner there, and I had a few scratches through it. Just getting this ready. I'm just going to swap the vehicles over now, put this one on the drive, get this one done. But that is my little video done for the Suzuki. I might show you this when it's finished. I'll speak to you in a bit. There we go, guys. Jobbed. Little van come out sweet. It's going to be ideal for his little, I think it's for one of his apprentices or whatever, or one of his workers doing his test. Going to have it all sticked up, make it look nice. Oh, scorching now. That is it from me today. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.